Sebelumnya di forum tahunan Menteri-Menteri Pertahanan Asia yang digelar di Singapura, Prabowo menyampaikan usulan soal perdamaian Ukraina Rusia. Prabowo mengusulkan 5 hal untuk mengakhiri konflik Ukraina Rusia. Beberapa poin usulan Prabowo antara lain meminta kedua pihak melakukan gencatan senjata, pembentukan zona demilitarisasi di mana kedua pihak mundur 15 km dari posisi terdepan, pembentukan pasukan memantau dari PBB serta digelarnya referendum di wilayah sengketa.
Like to take this opportunity to urge, to recommend with utmost urgency for our brothers in Ukraine and in Russia to come as soon as possible to a cessation of hostilities. I propose that the Shangri-La dialogue find a mode of declaration urging both Ukraine and Russia to immediately start negotiations for peace. I propose the general outline of the peace plan as follows. First, a ceasefire in place. That is, a cessation of hostilities in place at the present positions of both conflicting parties. Two, withdrawal 15 kilometers each from their forward positions to a new demilitarized